Students, hope all of you are fine and staying at home. Our government has declared summer vacation with effect from first day of May up to 31st day of May. Okay. Though government has declared summer vacation, but we have to continue our e-learning. Okay. Since our school is not in a position to be opened, I think before June or July. So we should not waste our time. We should carry on our studies. Okay. The recent trend, recent rise in the case of COVID has made each and every individual serious to think what would be the future of our state, what would be the future of our country, or what would be the future of ourselves. We are compelled to think. Each and everyone is in tense. Each and every persons are in tense. So we should have to maintain social distancing. Okay. We should maintain social distancing and follow each and every rules of lockdown. I mean, we should not go out from house. Okay, we should remain in house. We should use mask. We should wash our hands with Dettol or sanitizers. Then we should use always hot water. If we can stay in conscious, then only we can save ourselves. Otherwise, a very little mistake may lead to a very dangerous life. Okay. So we should not make any mistake. Okay. Today I will discuss a lesson, namely Bholi, which comes under English third, alternative English or English IL. Okay. Bholi. By the name of the chapter, we can assume that there may be a story of a very simpleton girl, Bholi. It is a Hindi word. Those who are very simple women, okay, very simple girl are called Bholi in Hindi. So you see the books. Her name was Sulekha. Her name, that means Bholi's actual name was, the real name was Sulekha. But since her childhood, everyone had been calling her Bholi. But she was called Bholi by everyone since her childhood. Bholi, the simpleton. I have already told simpleton means very simple. Okay. She was the fourth daughter of Nambardar Ramlal. She was the first, second, third and fourth. Fourth, okay, 4 number. Fourth daughter of Nambardar means Maujadar. That in an official who collects revenue of a definite area. Maujadar, okay. Name of the Maujadar was Ramlal. That means Bholi was the fourth daughter of Ramlal and Ramlal was a Nambardar or Maujadar. When she was 10 months old, she had fallen off the coat on her head and perhaps it had damaged some part of her brain. Very sad. When she was 10 months old, at that time she had fallen and got some injury on her head, and some parts of her brain was damaged by this injury. That was why she remained a backward child and came to be known as Bholi. Due to the damage of her brain, she could not progress her physical growth. She could not progress in her intellectual growth, so she remained very backward comparing to other child of her age. So she was called Bholi by everyone, looking a simpleton girl. Okay, observing a simpleton girl, she was called Bholi. At birth, the child was very fair and pretty. During her birth, she was very fair and pretty. She was looking very beautiful. Okay. But when she was 2 years old, she had an attack of smallpox. When she became 2 years old, at that time she was attacked by smallpox. Smallpox जिसको हम आई बोली कहूँ, आई बसंत भी कहा जाता है. जनरली बसंत ऋतु में निकलता है, इसलिए बसंत भी कहा जाता है. That is called smallpox in English. When she was at the age of 2 years, she was attacked. She was suffered from smallpox. Only the eyes were saved, and she was so seriously attacked that only her eyes were saved. But the entire body was permanently disfigured by deep black pock. Generally, what happens when the disease occurred in a person, then some black spots comes on the body, and the same case was happened with Bholi also. Okay, her total body was disfigured by black spot due to the attack due to the suffer from the smallpox. Only her eyes were saved, which has disfigured her whole body. The black spot has disfigured her whole body. देखी बोले भाल न लगा हुए कोला कोला दाग दाग. Little Sulekha could not speak till she was 5. Generally, what happens? A child starts to speak after the age of 1.5 years or very lately also after 2 years. Okay. But this child, Bholi, could not speak till the age of 5 years. Then what happened? And when at last she learned to speak, she stammered. After the age of 5 years, slowly she started to speak, but her speaking was not clear. She used to stammer. Roi kotha kua, that is called stammering in English. Okay, she used to stammer while speaking. Then what happened? The other children often made fun of her and mimicked her. Then what happened? Her friends, the allied age group partners started to mimic her. Mimic means jukua, imitation kora. তাই যে ষ্টেমাৰিং কৰে কথা কওঁতে এইটো তাইক তাৰ লগৰীয়াবিলাকে জোকায়. Generally it is bad, okay, we should not do such type of act. We should not mimic anyone. And as her friends started to mimic her, a result was happening there. The result was what? As a result, she talked very little. She talked very little. Often she talked. Because if she talked, then she will stammer, and her friend, her allied age group partners will mimic her. So she started to talk very little. Ramlal had 7 children. Oh, the Nambardar Ramlal had 7 children, 3 sons and 4 daughters. And the youngest of them was Bholi. Out of the 7 children, the youngest children was Bholi, means Sulekha. Okay. It was a prosperous farmer's household, and there was plenty to eat and drink. That means the Nambardar was a wealthy person of that village. So he has nobody has to suffer in food or in drinks. He has plenty of foods, he has plenty of things to drink as nutritious material, but what happened? All the children except Bholi were healthy and strong. All other children, all the 6 children were healthy and strong, as they have not to suffer with food, with drinks. Okay, but Bholi was unhealthy. All the children except Bholi were healthy and strong. The sons had been sent to the city to study in school and later in college. The sons were sent to city to study. Okay. Then they were sent to college also for study. Of the daughters, Radha, the eldest, had already been married. At the time when Bholi took birth, the eldest daughter, namely Radha, was already married. The second daughter, Mangla's marriage had also been settled. The second daughter's name was Mangla. Okay, Radha, Mangla. This Mangla, second daughter's marriage had also been settled. It was already fixed. Then, when that was done, Ramlal would think of the third Champa. After the settlement of marriage of Mangla, Ramlal was to think about the marriage of his third daughter Champa. Okay, Radha, Mangla, Champa. Okay. Now, after the marriage of Mangla, Ramlal has to think about the marriage of Champa. Then, Ramlal would think of the third Champa. they were good looking. All these three were good looking, healthy girls. Okay, all these three, Radha, Mangala, Champa, were good looking, beautiful, and healthy also. And it was not difficult to find bridegroom for them. Since they are beautiful, so there was nothing any difficulty to search a bridegroom for them. Okay. But Ramlal was worried about Bholi. As we have got that Bholi is not beautiful. She had a black spot of smallpox on her whole body, and she was dull also. She was ungrown also. Okay, that's why she had neither good looks nor intelligence. The last daughter, that is Boli or Sulekha, was neither good looking, that means beautiful, nor intelligence. Okay.